We, ViSCO Technologies, are an expert group in the field of visual inspections and image processing inspections. Our motto, Gazo-Hitosuji, or images all the way, represents our dedicated mind for image processing technology. This has not been changed ever since our foundation in 2003, and will not be from here on. Together with VTV 9000, main controller of our image processing inspection, we have been realizing many kinds of visual inspections for many kinds of products. ViSCO Technologies will continue to pursue images all the way.